Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If you want to delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram, then you are on the right video. Watch complete video to learn how to delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram. In this video, I am going to show you how to do this. First of all, open Instagram app from your mobile phone. Click on profile icon in the right bottom. Now I am going to open the photos from which I want to delete one photo. For example, I am going to open this one and I want to delete one photo from these photos. I want to delete this photo. To delete this photo, click on three dots at top right. Now you have to choose delete from the list and again click on delete. Now you can see all three pictures are deleted. So this is not possible to delete one photo from multiple photos. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel and press bell icon to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.